Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Na ganja, jungling at the Jamaica. Yeah, man. In the silence of the night, me hear the call. Whisper from the trees, them rise and fall. Ancient spirits dance in a wind, telling stories about the fire within. Me light a candle, chant a prayer, cleanse me soul from worldly fear. Me not chase no gold or fame. Me seek the truth, not play no game. Me feel the drum beat deep in me bones. Guide me path when me walk alone. The mystic fire, it blaze so bright, burning lights, revealing light. Mystic fire, blaze up in me, show I the way, set I spirit free. In the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. Me climb the mountain, chant Rastafari, thunder clap and the eagle fly. Me hold that chalice, reason with star. No say Jah never far. Babylon try fi confuse the youth, but me drop rhythm like holy truth. Me words them heal, them rise like tide. Even in pain me nah run, me ride. Me wear me crown of roots and leaf. Me live me days beyond belief. Meditation, me daily food. Me walk with lion heart through the wood. Mystic fire, blaze up in me, show I the way, set I spirit free. In the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. Chanting under full moonlight tight, smoke rise, me vision bright. Rhythm deep like ocean floor. Me nah beg, me rise, me soar. Them system try control me breath, but Rasta chant put lies to death. Me soul nah sell, me part divine. Me reason with trees and ancient sign. Them build the walls, me walk through still. Me hold firm, Jah give me will. Me skank through fire, me feel no flame, cause me heart already tame. Me voice echo in a valley deep, awaken ones them longer sleep. Me words like keys, unlock the mind, set the chain soul free from bind. Me nah carry grudge, me carry grace. Me blaze herbs in a sacred place. Me lift me hands and give up praise to Jah who guide through all me days. Mystic fire, blaze up in me, show I the way, set I spirit free. In the dark, I still sight the spark. Jah guide me steps like Noah's ark. When the world fall quiet, me still chant strong. Me know where me belong. Me heart beat like thunder drum, and to the fire me always come.
Meditation. Deep with Rasta, yeah man. Rise up, sun pon the mountain top. First light kiss, me dreadlock drop. Birds them sing like them know the way. New day dawn and me give Jah praise. Me wash me face with the cool stream flow. Blessings come from roots, me know. No worry about stress or the Babylon mess. Me puff a little herb, me release the press. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Me walk barefoot pon the red earth clay. Me reason with itself through Jah way. The mango ripe, the breeze so sweet. chant one psalm with a nyaya bingy beat. Me nah follow no clock or time. Me follow the stars and the ancient sign. Every inhale a holy rite. Me mind levitate in the morning light. One drop rhythm on me soul again. Me nah fight life, me ride the rain. Me nah take stress from system chain. Me live free like lion in a plane. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Me sit under tree like the prophet of old. Me close me eye and the silence bold. Breathe in Jah love, exhale the fear. Me inner voice speak, me mind get clear. Me sight the beauty in every sound. From crickets to leaves, them touch the ground. Each moment sacred, each step a prayer. Rasta walk with love everywhere. So blaze up the morning with peace and light. One spliff, one chant, and all feel right. Give thanks for life, give thanks for time. Me soul in tune with Jah design. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing. Irie rising, no compromising. Blaze up the chalice, me spirit climbing. Sunshine healing, high grade feeling. Rasta vibes pon the earth revealing.
Ayayay. Zion lion, yeah man. Me pack me bag but no shoes inside. Barefoot treading on Jalan wide. Me leave behind the city nice. Fi hear the wind and Zion voice. Me na follow road paved in gold. Me follow vibes, me follow all. Ancestral whispers in a me head. Tell me stories of prophets long dead. Rasta nomad, me travel free. From jungle deep to mountain tree. No passport needed for Jah domain. Me walk with love through sun and rain. Me sleep on stone, me rest in shade. Me give thanks for all Jah made. The river speak, the breeze reply. Me ask questions to the open sky. In a forest, me chant them psalm. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay calm. Me bonus spliff on morning dew. Me vision clear, me heart feel true. Rasta nomad, me travel free. From jungle deep to mountain tree. No passport needed for Jah domain. Me walk with love through sun and rain. Me meet a sister in a dead dust. She speaking light, she speaking trust. She say keep walking, no look back. Jah guide the feet on righteous track. Me see a brother in a ocean blue. Him chant with waves, him spirit true. We share a spliff, we share some fruit. No rich, no poor, just soul and root. Me journey not just cross hills and me walk deep inside Jah promised land. Me sit in silence, me floating dream. Me soul become one with the stream. Rasta nomad, me travel free. From jungle deep to mountain tree. No passport needed for Jah domain. Me walk with love through sun and rain. Me nah seek throne, me nah seek crown. Me seek Jah light in every
Ayayay, Zion Lion man. Me pack me bag but no shoes inside. Barefoot treading on Jah land wide. Me leave behind the city noise. Fi hear the wind and Zion voice. Me na follow road paved in gold. Me follow vibes, me follow old. Ancestral whispers inna me head. Tell me stories of prophets long dead. Rasta nomad, me travel free. From jungle deep to mountain tree. No passport needed, fi Jah domain. Me walk with love through sun and rain. Me sleep on stone, me rest in shade. Me give thanks fi all Jah made. The river speak, the breeze reply. Me ask questions to the open sky. In a forest, me chant them psalms. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay calm. Me burn a spliff on morning dew. Me vision clear, me heart feel true. One fire, one flame, me soul ignite. One herb, one name, Jah give me sight. One world, one breath, me walk alone. Yet everywhere me go, Jah call me home. Rasta nomad, me travel free. From jungle deep to mountain tree. No passport needed, fi Jah domain. Me walk with love through sun and rain. Me meet a sister in a desert dust. She speaking light, she speaking trust. She say keep walking, no look back. Jah guide the feet on righteous track. Me see a brother in a ocean blue. Him chant with waves, him spirit true. We share a spliff, we share some fruit. No rich, no poor, just soul and root. Me journey not just cross hills and sand. Me walk deep inside Jah promised land. Me sit in silence, me float in dream. Me soul become one with the stream. Rasta nomad, me travel free. From jungle deep to mountain tree. No passport needed, fi Jah domain. Me walk with love through sun and rain. Me nah seek throne, me nah seek crown. Me seek Jah light in every town.
Ayayay.
Let the session begin. Brother, the wave them crash pan concrete wall. But truth deeper than them all. Miss a system set the game. But nature call Jah name. Them try bury with history, but roots grow wild and free. Them say harder but bringing pain. We say justice with serene. Cameras watch from every street, but Jah eyes bigger, them can't compete. We not play them puppet show. We move with wind, we river flow. Every lie build Babylon high, but truth rise up, touch the sky. Them can't drown what born for fight. The tide of truth come every night. Tide of truth, it can't be stopped. Rise up strong when system flop. We push, we pull, we break the chain. We flood them wall like righteous rain. Tide of truth, deep and bold, more precious than silver and gold. Babylon crumble, truth remain. We ride Jah wave through every strain. Me say wake up from hypnotize. Them feed your fear, them sell your lies. And me say youth man take the lead. Plant the truth like sacred seed. We not bow to money game. For me soul can't carry shame. Them say rule, them say law, but Jah power higher than all. Me nah get trapped in TV frame. Me vision clear, me call Jah name. Every river, every tree, remind we who we born for be. Storm come but roots grow deep. Jah promise me forever keep. Me nah let no system win. Truth rise like a tide within. Tide of truth, it can't be stopped. Rise up strong when system flop. We push, we pull, we break the chain. We flood them wall like righteous rain. Tide of truth, deep and bold, more precious than silver and gold. Babylon crumble, truth remain. We ride Jah wave through every strain. Me hear the elders chant at dawn. Wisdom live on and on. Them can't erase we sacred song. We heartbeat fierce, we spirit strong. So me step out on the front line, chant the truth in every line. Just soldier nah retreat. We walk firm on Zion Street. So when the tide rise up tonight, hold tight to the guiding light. Babylon wall can't stand tall. Truth flood and cleanse them all. Ayayay, Rasta roll this spliff, yeah man. This your song for the warriors, for the dreamers, for the seekers. Every heartbeat a rebel drum. Get ready, the time has come. Them build the wall, hide them call it law. But me spirit say me can't withdraw. Chains are glisten, made of gold. But freedom story now get old. Them push poison in the air we breathe. Them sell false hope like a seed. But true wisdom grow wild and free. Me nah bow to them money tree. Babylon voice a loud and slick, but me soul tuned to Zion pick. Me hear the whisper in the breeze, calling out Jah prophecy. Me say enough of the mind control. Me take back me body, me take back soul. From concrete jungle to mountain top, the revolution not stop. Chains breaker anthem, sing it loud. We rise up high, we proud. No matter how this storm them send, freedom fire never end. Chains breaker rhythm, feel the beat. Power rise from under we feet. One love, one aim, one flame.
Babylon can't tame the name. Me watch the people hypnotize, living life behind fake eyes. But deep down, the truth still glow. Like river stream, it start to flow. We not fi take no fake injection. Spirit strong, divine protection. Me say detox from the lie. Raise your voice up to the sky. Them set the trap inna the school. Teach obedience like a rule. But me say teach the youths the way. Sovereign mind feel like the day. The system quake when we unite. One heart, one love ignite. From the slum to the hills afar, we shine bright like morning star. Them can't suppress your vibration. Truth cut deeper than nation. We are the children of the sun. The battle already won. Chains breaker anthem, sing it loud. We rise up high, we proud. No matter how this storm them send, freedom fire never end. Chains break a rhythm, feel the beat. Power rise from under we feet. One love, one aim, one flame. Babylon can't tame the name. Beside the elders, stand up tall. Guardians of Jah Laffy all. Roots dig deep in sacred ground. The heartbeat of Zion sound. New generation rise with might. Eyes open wide, ready fi fight. Not with guns, not with sword, but with truth and Jah word. Me chant for the ones who fall, the martyrs who answer the call. We not fi forget them name. Them lights still burn the flame. So when them try to pull you down, remember you wear the crown. Chains breaker, anthem live long. Zion people forever strong.
Zion echoes, yeah man. Step out on the battlefield. Jah light as me shield, truth reveal. Kingston vibes make the wicked man kneel. Rasta soldier, no retreat, no yield. Them can't stop the fire, we burn from the heart. Babylon crumble, them system not smart. Jah give we the strength, fi play we part. We rise up the banner from the very start. Them set them traps, but we a break them chain. Me chant Jah name in a sunshine or rain. Them want silence we, but Jah love remain. Me say the lion roar, make the whole earth sustain. The ghetto youth them rise with hope in them eye. The struggle heavy, but Jah love can't die. We blaze up the fire till the evil run dry. The righteous warrior, me can't deny. Righteous warrior, we fight for the truth. Roots and culture for the ghetto youth. Them can't silence Jah flute. We chant the psalms with enough salute. From the hilltop the message echo clear. We chant for love, we can't live in fear. Them take the land, but Jah kingdom near. Righteous warrior, Jah guide and steer. Them said the righteous road too narrow fi tread, but we hold Jah vibes and no bother we dread. The mission strong, Rasta now look back. We burn Babylon lies, make the truth unlock. Selassie crown me with the fire of peace. Babylon system can't make we cease. The youths a chant high, the vibes increase. From Kingston streets to overseas. Righteous warrior, we fight for the truth. Roots and culture for the ghetto youth. Them can't silence Jah flute. We chant the psalms with enough salute. Oh Jah, send the blessings rain. Fi heal the hearts where you carry the pain. The wicked them plot, but them fight in vain. Jah light a the torch, make the love sustain. We no care if the road get rough. We hold Jah and Rasta vibes strong enough. From the fire rise, we make the wicked back off. Selassie I vibes make we heart full of love. Me say warrior, rise upon the battlefield. The shield of truth, Jah light where we wield. The sword of justice, Babylon can't conceal. We chant Selassie, I name fi make the whole world heal. Me say we roots, strong like the Iroko tree. Them can't cut the branch, where Rasta decree. The lion roar, loud make the oppressors flee. From the heights of Zion to the deep blue sea. Yeah man, righteous warrior for life. Fight for love, avoid the strife. Jah blessings flow, make the world unite. One love me say, Rasta vibes ignite.
Ayayay, break the false matrix system. Yeah man, let's go. Me say them flash diamond, flash the gold, but me roots worth more than all them old. Them buy silence with paper face, but me stand firm in Jah grace. Me not chase vanity parade, me build strength in nature's shade. Them system make you feel so small, but Jah remind me above it all. Every chain them forge with greed, we break it down, plant new seed. Freedom not come in the shopping cart, it grow deep in every heart. Me say riches fade like morning dew, but roots remain forever true. Them can't steal the fire inside, me spirit strong, me nah hide. Roots over gold, that's me way, rich in soul, every day. Babylon tempt, but can't win, we rise up from within. Roots over gold, pure and wise, truth shine brighter than the lies. Hold the faith, let love unfold, forever roots over gold. Them tell we obey and climb the ranks, but the ladder break, leave empty banks. Me say wisdom not come from suit and tie, it come from stars up in the sky. Look on earth, look on sea, them teach we everything we need to be free. Them can't own what Jah create, but still them try manipulate. Me keep the ancient knowledge near, now let them poison me with fear. Each generation stronger rise, with open heart and clear eyes. Inna the jungle or city streets, truth march steady to its beats. Let the roots grow, let them stretch, not trade your blessings, fee no check. Roots over gold, that's me way, rich in soul, every day. Babylon tempt, but can't win, we rise up from within. Roots over gold, pure and wise, truth shine brighter than the lies. Hold the faith, let love unfold, forever roots over gold. This a call for every youth, don't lose sight of your truth. Them show glamour, but it fade, Jah foundation never trade. Me say build community strong, for that we chant this song. Together we higher, together we free, together we hold the key. So when them wave gold in your face, remember your roots, your sacred place. No matter what Babylon unfold, we choose roots over gold.
Zion echoes,
Bro,
Rasta lion now bow down. Selassie I lead the way. Like a lion, me roar, Babylon can't tame. Fyah Pon I, Jah call me name. Inna the jungle, me rise and claim. Rasta man strong, we play no game. flame. Them a try fi trap me in a the wicked scheme, but Jah light a guide me, protect me dream. Herbs in a me hand make the fire supreme. Truth in a me soul, me spirit beam. The lion a fear, we bold and wise. The wisdom of Jah open me eyes. From the ghetto to the hills, we rise and rise. Me chancellor I, no compromise. Like a lion, me roar, Babylon can't tame. Fyah Pon I, Jah call me name. Inna the jungle, me rise and claim. Rasta man strong, we play no game. The system a crumble, them can't hold we back. We trod through the fire, we step on track. The rhythm a me weapon, the words a me stack. Babylon a fall, them can't counteract. The ganja make the meditation clear. Jah wisdom in a me heart, me have no fear. Rasta lead the way, the time a near. Lion pass strong, make the wicked disappear. Roar for the freedom, roar for the youth. Roar for the justice, roar for the truth. Rasta man chant, me step on the proof. Babylon tremble, the lion aloof. Like a lion, me roar, Babylon can't tame. Fyah Pon I, Jah call me name. Inna the jungle, me rise and claim. Rasta man strong, we play no game. Selassie I guide, me stand so tall. Lion heart blazing, we nah go fall. From Zion to the earth, we answer the call. The lion a roar, blessings for all. Me walk through the valley, the shadow of pain. Jah light guide me steps through the storm and rain. Me say me heart firm, me spirit remain. The journey long, but we no complain. The wicked them lurk, but me nah go stray. The fire of Jah make me pave me way. The ghetto full of trials, but Jah love stay. We chancellor I make the world obey. For every tear we drop, Jah give we joy. The system try to break we, but Jah destroy. We hold firm to Jah love, it can deploy. Rasta never lose, we no fall fit ploy. Jah guide me steps, me walk on the light. The darkness flee, the path get bright. We chant the psalms, the vibes ignite. Jah blessings flow every day, every night. Me said the struggle's hard, but we stand strong. Jah protect me soul from the wicked man. Them set them trap, but Jah break the plan. Rasta trod forward, we no want no span. The love of Jah deeper than the ocean floor. We knock on Zion gate, Jah open the door. The wicked them scatter when Jah lion roar. Me say we a soldier, we fight evermore. Babylon want to control me life, but Jah cut the chain like a two-edged knife. We stand in the light, we no mix with strife. Rasta vibration fi balance the life. Jah guide me steps, me walk on the light. The darkness flee, the path get bright. We chant the psalms, the vibes ignite. Jah blessings flow every day, every night. Yeah man, Jah carry me through the stormy seas. Me heart at peace, Jah love at peace. We chant for the truth, Jah spirit increase. The fire of Zion, it never cease.
Then when there's my canteen. The 6 million reals. The 6 way. Make your trains and make tune. Please.
That's over the low one there. Could all share it what you take. We skill gear it, please to join and can contact road. So hello, my father with this one split come with the time. So
I surf my tea.
wait I will see how she lecture. I fed take a tip dress plate. Clinton and the fan oil really come for the cigarette here with time so let's show they got chicks. I say those see I said I tell me send it your thing Chris. If a champion please try. So why is there? Someone takes the one with me.
Zion roots. Yeah, yeah. Them want blind we eyes, but we still see clear. The truth can't hide, it's always near. Them talk in a circle, them spread deep fear. But Rasta burn fire, we can't be weird. Me walk through the valley, me walk through the flame. Them a call me mad, but me know me name. The system weak, them a play them game. But Jah guide me step, me nah feel shame. Them try to lock we down with chains and bars, but me soul too free, me reach for the stars. Them poison the water, them poison the land. Still me hold strong, with Jah in me hand. Them build up walls, but we break them down. Me chant me psalms, me make the sound. The wicked them tremble, them can't be found. The lion roar, we run this town. Them want we silent, but we speak so loud. The truth a shine like the highest cloud. Them try confuse, but me nah go doubt. Me hold me faith, me chant it proud. We see them leaders, them full of greed. Them not help the poor, them plant bad seed. But me see the future, me know Jah lead. The fire burn high, the wicked bleed. Fyah Pon Di Lies, truth can't die. Jah guide, me reach the sky. Them can't stop we no matter how them try. The righteous rise, me spirit fly. Fire burn high, Babylon can't last. The people unite, we moving fast. One love strong, the future vast. The system weak, it bound to crash. Me sight beyond, me heart stay clean. Them try pollute, but me soul stay green. Jah light a shine, me walk between. The righteous rule, we reign supreme. Look how the people a cry. Babylon still a tell them lie. Them build up tower fi reach the sky, but Jah come, them can't deny. The ghetto youth, them tired of fight. Still them push on, still hold the light. Me know Jah bless them day and night. Them can't break we, me stand upright. The system one control the mind. Me nah go bow, me nah stay blind. Me chant me psalms, me words align. The truth arise, the wicked decline. The trumpet sound, them can't escape. Jah warrior strong. Zion echoes, yeah. Asle kan Zion echoes. Skit Canada, oh. Them call me rebel, call me threat, cause me chant truth them can't forget. Me nah bow to no fake crown. My voice a fire burn Babylon down. Them try trap the mind with fear. Watch every step, every move me clear. But me spirit wild, my soul untamed. Me chanting Jah name, me nah be chained. System can't chain me soul. Me walk with Jah, me play me role. Them build wall, but me build drum. Beat truth till Babylon done. Roots too deep, light too strong. We chant right, them systems wrong. Me chant for love, me chant for peace. For every heart them try to cease. Me see the wires, me see the trap. Screens in face like digital slap. Them sell me dreams, but me nah buy. Me sight the truth behind the lie. Me stand with drum, me stand with word. Me chant with lion, me fly like bird. No machine can write me soul. Me born for chant, me born for roll. System can't change me soul. Me walk with Jah, me play me role. Them build wall, but me build drum. Be true till Babylon done. Me nah fear no badge, no name. My heart blaze up like holy flame. From roots to sky, me call the youth. For rise with love, for walk in truth. So when them fall and silence ring, me still go rise and chant and sing. Cause soul not built by man control, and system can't change our soul. Me walk in a dream where stars them guide. Sky open wide and my soul collide with ancient tones from a higher plane, where no man lie and no art chain. The rhythm come from a timeless source. It moved through blood like a sacred force. Me nah need weapon, me nah need crown. My spirit rise while Babylon drown. Me hear thunder speak in Rasta tongue. Me see visions where them hide from young. In the forest deep, me find the key. Unlock truth with a melody. Echoes of the celestial drum, calling the warriors, hear them come. Riding the wind, chanting in fire. Burning illusion, lifting higher. No man can stop this holy tide. It rise from within, it spread worldwide. From Zion peak to concrete slum, we moving echoes of the celestial drum. Me dream not come from no book or screen. It born in silence, in moment clean. Where no algorithm can twist the way, and no fake leader can make me sway. Me walk with lion, me reason with tree. Them tell me stories of what we be. Before control, before this scheme. When love was law and life a dream. Me sip from river, me rest on stone. Me feel like I'm on truly home. Them say me lost, but me just see clear. The world gone blind, me nah hold fear. Echoes of the celestial drum, calling the warriors, hear them come. Riding the wind, chanting in fire. Burning illusion, lifting higher. No man can stop this holy tide. It rise from within, it spread worldwide. From Zion peak to concrete slum, we moving echoes of the celestial drum. Missy spirits dance on desert sand. Them form the truth with ancient hand. Them sing in tone, no ear can catch, but the soul respond. Me heart dispatch, me build no temple, me build no wall. Me just chant truth till system fall. And when them try fi dim me flame, me light more wick and call Jah name. This not a rebel song fi hype. This a message from eternal type. From galaxies where we come from. Me sing the echoes of the celestial drum. Echoes of the celestial drum, calling the Levy moves we behave. Lassie I on the do Janet. Georgia rhymes from the bass. In naughty rats and all a selfish face. Sayings in the dialects. Apples and crumb think amazing big. Tabbing as it drum big. First draw the morning, me say bless Jah hand. Roll up the spliff, Bubba Kush from the land. From the hills of Jamaica to the Cali sand. Every herb feed the Rasta way overstand. The herb elevate the mind, make me meditate. Selassie guide me step, me not deviate. Make the vibes flow clean, Rasta celebrate. Pure herbs fill we heart, keep it dedicate. Feel the blessings from Jah in the smoke we rise. Mystic vibes make me see clear through Jah eyes. The rhythm and the herb keep my soul in ties. Me give thanks for Jah underneath blue skies. The healing of the nation Babylon fear. Them try to keep the ganja from the youth everywhere, but we blaze up the chalice and we still prepare. We spread Jah message, make the people aware. Golden seal in my pipe, balance my way. Me say Selassie I bless me every night and day. With the fire in my heart, truth me display. Me chant Selassie I make Babylon sway. Feel the blessings from Jah in the smoke we rise. Mystic vibes make me see clear through Jah eyes. The rhythm and the herb keep my soul in ties. Me give thanks for Jah underneath blue skies. One love for the youth, one love for the poor. Herb in the chalice make my soul feel sure. The high vibes carry me to Zion door. Me feel Jah blessings forevermore. Roll up the wisdom, light up the flame. Chant Selassie, I call Jah name. Feed the herb and the truth, me love sustain. Blessings from Jah now go away again.
Zion echoes, ayayay, dawai kutika sak paska. Herb feed the mind me about one time. With a little Afghan me I feel divine. Jah herb so sweet it a make me rhyme. Me a walk on the righteous line. Herb feed the mind me about one time. With a little Afghan me I feel divine. Jah herb so sweet it a make me rhyme. Me a walk on the righteous line. Bubbling chalice me pass to me brethren. From Westmoreland straight to the heavens. Cherry pie me say it a make me smile. Herb feed the journey every mile. The Babylon man they want fi oppress, but Jah herb a bless, me soul caress. Me nah go stop, me nah go stray. Me burn me spliff till the break of day. Herb keep the mind me about one time. With a little Afghan me I feel divine. Jah herb so sweet it a make me rhyme. Me a walk on the righteous line. Me say the herb a wisdom, the herb a guide. The fire blaze strong, me spirit collide. With me gelato strain, me a take a flight. Me a chant Jah name till the morning light. The healing herb it a run through me vein. Me a feel the vibes, me can't complain. From the mountains high to the city low. Jah herb make the blessings flow. With the star dark strain me a lift up high. Me a touch Jah sky, me a never lie. Me give thanks for the gift Jah provide. The healing herb it a be me guide. So pass the chalice, make we all a vibe. The herb unite, no care the tribe. From the ghetto youth to the hills above. Herb feed the people, herb
love. The star that I am free, the healing herb it a be me guide. So pass the chalice, make we all a vibe. The herb unite, no hear the tribe. From the ghetto youth to the hills above. Herb for the people, herb for the love. Be a seeming, we live in life. Let's go. Ayayay. I want to start sit down to Rasta. Oh, healing vibes with the soul. Jah Guide Mi on the road. Lift up your head, my brother. My sister, keep moving further. Rise and heal. Let Jah light reveal. Every scar, every pain, love of you is shield. Rise and heal. The journey long but real. Hold the faith, hold the love, let your heart be still. Them want break the spirit, but we rise again. The storm a pass and the sun a rain. The heart of a lion, the mind of a king. Stand firm in truth, feel the joy it bring. The world so heavy, but we carry the load. Music are the medicine, healing the road. Sing out your pain, make the bird fly. With Jah by your side, you'll never cry. Rise and heal, let Jah light reveal. Every scar, every pain, love of you is shield. Rise and heal, the journey long but real. Hold the faith, hold the love, let your heart be still. The drum a beat, like the pulse of birth. Every note remind me of who work. From Africa's roots to the islands free. Reggae spread the message for unity. Babylon system can't hold me down. We are the rebels, we wear the crown. Love and peace in our soul ignite. Shine bright, my people, like stars at night. Oh, the healing starts within. Let go of the hate. Let the love begin. Oh, feel the power of Jah, breaking every chain, near and far. Not yet. Rise and heal, let Jah light reveal. Every scar, every pain, love of you is shield. Rise and heal, the journey long but real. Hold the faith, hold the love, let your heart be still. Yeah man, through the struggles, we still stand tall. Jah bless me, one love for y'all. Music are the key, the spirit are the door. Together we rise, forevermore. Sila. Rise and heal, let Jah light reveal. Every scar, every pain, love of you is shield. Rise and heal, the journey long but real. Hold the faith, hold the love, let your heart be still. Rise and heal, let Jah light reveal. Every scar, every pain, love of you is shield. Rise and heal, the journey long but real. Hold the faith, hold the love, let your heart be still.
Herb for the future. Herb for the future. Herb for the future. Herb for the future, me say plant the seed. Ganja as the healing it fulfill we need. Babylon a tremble, Jah children lead. Herb for the future, it's a righteous creed. Inna the earth, Jah spirit reside. Herb as the blessing, Jah wisdom guide. From the root to the flower, Jah love provide. Me chant for the ganja, the truth can't hide. The healing for the nation, we say legalize. Babylon can't hold with Jah people rise. Every puff of prayer, Jah open me eyes. Herb for the future, the vision wise. Me say rise up the chalice, let the fire burn. The herb a Jah gift, every man feel learn. From the past to the present, the tables turn. Herb for the future, the vibes confirm. Herb for the future, me say plant the seed. Ganja as the healing it fulfill we need. Babylon a tremble, Jah children lead. Herb for the future, it's a righteous creed. The system want fight we but them can't prevail. The herb where Jah bless, it will never fail. For the youth and the elder, the ganja trail. We say blaze up the fire, make the truth unveil. With Jah inna me heart, me can't go wrong. The herb as the anchor, me spirit strong. Me chant it for the people, the vibes prolong. Herb for the future, the anthem song. So me say chant it loud, let the ganja chive. Jah love inna the herb, it make me survive. The power of the plant, it keep we alive. Herb for the future, Jah children strive. Zion echoes, ayayay, Rasta man so high. Roots and chalice, the vibes can't stall. Lift up Jah name, me a answer the call. Herb inna me system, me rise, me no fall. Roots and chalice, me say one love for all. From the roots of creation, me hail Jah name. With the chalice in a hand, me a blaze the flame. Babylon a fight, but we stand the same. Jah wisdom inna the herb, it's more than fame. Inna the hills, the ganja grow strong. With the healing vibes, it a carry we along. Selassie I guide me, Jah love prolong. Me chant this song for the whole world belong. Every Jah blessing, the vibes elevate. Herb inna me heart, me a meditate. The chalice pass round, no bad hesitate. Roots and chalice, the vibes resonate. Roots and chalice, the vibes can't stall. Lift up Jah name, me a answer the call. Herb inna me system, me rise, me no fall. Roots and chalice, me say one love for y'all. Me say chant it loud, make the message spread. Herb inna the chalice, the meditation read. Babylon a fight, but Jah children fed. With the roots and the herb, the spirit no dead. From the ghetto to the hills, we all unite. With Jah guidance, me trot through the night. The herb as me armor, the vibes feel right. Chant down Babylon, me say hold Jah light. Me say roots and chalice, the anthem strong. Herb inna me and me a chant Jah song. The healing of the nation, me say pass it along. Roots and chalice, the vibes can wrong. Roots and chalice, the vibes can't stall. Lift up Jah name, me answer the call. Herb inna me system, me rise, me no fall. Roots and chalice, me say one love for y'all. Roots and chalice, roots and chalice. Ayayay, Rasta man so high. Roots and chalice, roots and chalice. Ayayay, Rasta man so high. Roots and chalice, roots and chalice. Ayayay, Rasta man so high. Roots and chalice, roots and chalice. Ayayay, Rasta man so high. Right correct. Roots and chalice. Right correct. Rasta man so high.
Me walk the streets with heavy mind, chains invisible but still bind. Them promise peace, deliver war. Keep we fighting near and far. Them set the trap in plain sight. This guy's control as human right, but me spirit can't be bought. Truth stronger than what them taught. The youth them rise, no longer sleep. The system so, now it reap. We eyes wide like morning light, ready now, fi reclaim right. Every brick them build with lies. We are come fi tear it down. Every scream that Babylon hide, we are voice it loud in town. Babylon walls must fall. Every crack we hear the call. Truth stand tall, justice reign. Freedom rise out of pain. Babylon walls must crumble. The empire start to stumble. From concrete to mountain top, revolution now stop. Them take control your very breath. Decide your fate, decide your death. But me say no more puppet string. Time fi let the freedom ring. Look on nature, show the way. Seasons change, but roots stay. Babylon can't touch that base. Sacred fire, them can't erase. Me say chant down illusions deep. Wake up soul, them try to keep. We are children of the sun. Unity make we overcome. Every chant a hammer blow. Pon Babylon wall them sooner go. With every heart that beat for love, we bring the judgment from above. Now sit still, now stay quiet. We the storm, we the riot. Them can't drown we truth in eyes. We rise up, make some noise. Babylon walls must fall. Every crack we hear the call. Truth stand tall, justice reign. Freedom rise out of pain. Babylon walls must crumble. The empire start to stumble. From concrete to mountain top, revolution now stop. This a warning, this a prayer. Feed the warriors everywhere. Miss a plant the seed of change today. The fruit of freedom soon display. Babylon fool themselves with might, but Jah love greater than the fight. We roots run deep, unbreakable. We mission pure, unstoppable. So me say, light up the fire, let the flames rise higher. Babylon walls can't last. Them time done, them age pass.
Zion roots, OG Kush smoke. Zion's fire, burning bright, guiding the way through the darkest night. Jah's light shine through in every fight. With Zion's fire, we claim the right. Jah power rise through the fire's flame. The spirit strong, it calls the name. In the smoke of the herbs, my spirit find peace. The troubles fade and the struggles cease. Zion, a place of the righteous and free, where the fire of Jah burns eternally. From the streets to the hills, me call to the sky. With the Lion of Judah, me aim high. The rhythm in me heart, the beat in the mind. Me rise in the spirit, me leave all behind. Fire in me heart, light up the day. Through Jah's fire, me find the way. Me face the struggles, me fight for the truth. Through Zion's fire, we renew the youth. Zion's fire, burning bright, guiding the way through the darkest night. Jah's light shine through in every fight. With Zion's fire, we claim the right. In the mountains high, in the valleys low, Zion's fire make the children glow. Through the herbs and the wisdom from the elders, we bring peace free from the oppressors. The fire it burn, but never consume. It purifies the spirit, removing the doom. No Babylon system can hold us down. With Zion's fire, we burn through the crown. Jah's light a guide, in Zion we reign. In Zion's fire, Jah's love sustain. So burn it forever, through night and day. In Zion's fire, Jah lead their raid. Zion's fire, burning bright, guiding the way through the darkest night. Jah's light shine through in every fight. With Zion's fire, we claim the right.